Alright, today on the bench we got a Mcculloch Super 550. We're going to try to get this running today. Just like the last video, I'll give you a clip of us getting it out of the garage. I think the first thing we're going to do on this one is pull the carburetor off and we'll get it in the cleaner. Then we'll go from there. So we got the carb out. It was a little bit of a pain in the ass, but not too bad. Well, it don't look as bad as the Indian carb. A little bit of varnish, but alright, while the cleaner's doing its thing, I think we'll just go ahead and pull this side cover off because we're going to end up having it off anyway. A kill wire in the back of the side cover. We've got no spark. So we'll try to get this flywheel off and see what we got in there for points. So I just went ahead and pulled the points right out of it. I'll try to clean them up the best I can, and then we'll get them back in there and see if we have any spark. That's showing up. I'll try to get you a little closer. Now we've got spark. We'll give it a little shot of this shit and see if it'll either burp or it'll spin the nut off. That's what we like to hear. Alright, there you have it. I'm going to get this back in the saw and I'll be right back. Alright, we got the carb back in. We're going to go ahead and pour in some fuel. Throttle kind of hung up on me there. Alright, so I got it all back together. It's idling a little bit high, but it's running. I'll go ahead, I'll fire it up for you. We're going to call that a win on the Super 550 Mcculloch. We'll see you next time.